Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide ST, a motorcycle that takes touring to the next level with a bold design, powerful performance, and modern technology. Harley-Davidson continues to push boundaries, and the 2025 Road Glide ST is no exception. Whether you're looking to conquer long distances or cruise through city streets, this bike offers the ultimate blend of comfort and power. Let's explore what makes this bike a standout in the touring category. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide ST features a sleek and aggressive design built for both performance and style. The Sharknose fairing, a hallmark of the Road Glide series, is enhanced with new, sharper lines that not only improve aerodynamics but also add to the bike's aggressive stance. The color schemes are bold and striking, offering more customization options to suit the rider's style. The touring seat ensures long-distance comfort, while the minimalist rear end maintains the bike's sleek and sporty appearance. Whether you're on the road for hours or just cruising, the Road Glide ST makes a lasting impression. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2025 Road Glide ST is Harley-Davidson's Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine, delivering an impressive 125 lb-ft of torque. The increased displacement ensures that the bike offers plenty of low-end grunt for effortless acceleration and power at higher speeds. With a responsive throttle and smooth shifting, this engine is designed to provide an exhilarating ride while maintaining the comfort needed for long-haul trips. The Road Glide ST is also equipped with a premium suspension system that ensures stability and smooth handling, whether you're navigating tight turns or cruising down highways. With the added performance, this bike brings both speed and comfort to every ride. Safety and technology. Harley-Davidson has integrated advanced technology and safety features into the 2025 Road Glide ST to enhance the rider's experience. The bike comes with a suite of rider assistance features, including electronic cruise control, ABS brakes, and traction control to ensure maximum control under various conditions. The large touchscreen display provides real-time access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics, all while being easy to operate even on the move. With its upgraded LED lighting, the Road Glide ST ensures excellent visibility for both the rider and other road users, further enhancing safety. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide ST is a perfect combination of power, performance, and comfort. Designed for riders who demand both style and capability, it is built to tackle long distances without compromising on thrill. With its aggressive design, powerful engine, and cutting-edge features, the Road Glide ST continues to set the standard for touring motorcycles.